If your AI strategy is focused on how you can build courses faster, you're fundamentally doing this wrong. And we're looking in the wrong direction. The tech is still wildly in flux, right? Like, what new model came out 5 minutes ago since we've been talking? I don't know, but there's something, right? There's an AI for that. It's a website. Just, I don't know how many tools are there at this point. It's probably silly. There's something new every day. But what I think is important is, instead of trying to chase the iterative nature of the technology, it's to look at what's the bigger picture of how this is impacting the way decisions are being made in the workplace. And I think that is a much clearer view right now than the specific functional capabilities of different large language models, different providers, and all of those different types of considerations. So my guidance is to not let short-term benefits distract us from long-term impact, because we should be rethinking, even if you're not permitted to adopt certain tools, if you're struggling to keep up with the evolution of the technology, I don't know either. I do this for a living, and I can't keep up with what every different provider is doing and what every model is capable of.
Yeah.
So instead of chasing until things start to settle, because you can see everything kind of heading in the same general direction, right? I think where the focus needs to be in one is rethinking how work is done through technology, right? And organizations are going to ask the question, do we need this work done at all? You saw a very large technology organization recently. The CEO asked the question, why would you hire somebody? Can't AI just do this? So one, does the work need to get done moving forward? Two, what's the best way to get the work done given our new digital ecosystem? And then three, then what role do people play in getting the work done moving forward? And I think that's the lens we need to be looking at this conversation through. It's not about prompt engineering, not about talking heads, not even about chatbots, right? It's a fundamental rethink of work processes and the role that people play in facilitating them. That's the conversation we need to have as the tech settles itself.